Come on. Welcome back to another Sunday Fun Day. I wanted to share with you guys a clip. I was on TikTok earlier and this lady was going off and just like an old spiritual song, and I'm not super like religious or anything like that, but it just kind of put reality in my face to where it's kind of like, man, when this life is over, we gonna be gone. It's gonna be it. So what are you gonna do with it? What are you gonna do with it right now? Welcome back again. We are here. So it is now March the 6th, 2022. Time is flying by. Time is flying, guys. Flying. Being too cautious is the greatest risk of all. Make your dreams reality today, right now. Tomorrow, when you wake up, make your dreams reality and bust your ass. Time is the number one currency. Use it now. Without commitment, you will never start. More importantly, without consistency, you will never finish. We come to you every Sunday at 8 p.m. to show you that it is possible to do more in this life. I'm here to motivate you to shake yourself up and to face yourself in the morning. When you look in the mirror, am I going to repeat the same life or am I going to evolve? Welcome back to Building for Generations. We are here alive and present on our journey to 3,000 strong limitless business leaders who will remain unstoppable in building wealth for themselves and their families. So these are limitless badass people who know that we're going to be out of here one day. We want to do everything possible to have a great experience and surround ourselves with limitless, tenacious people. So today is going to be pretty brief. I'm going to be before you guys, and we're going to be talking about some important deadlines coming up for you guys to make sure that you guys are aware of. March 15th is the deadline for all K-1s. So if you're part of a syndication as a limited partner, you should be receiving a K-1 from your sponsor with all of your detail on there, all of your profit detail, and all of your loss detail if they are doing bonus depreciation. This is the last year, 2022, to take advantage of bonus depreciation. So I know a lot of you guys are getting that back on your K-1. So March 15th is the deadline for K-1s to be issued. If you are a syndicator or a sponsor, or you have a partnership and you have multiple partners and you need K-1s, you need tax filing. We do that at Dudley Accounting Services. So look us up on our website, get in contact with us, get on our calendar so we can add value to what you have going on. So for 10 so going forward, we want to definitely make sure that we take care of our real estate professionals, whether you be an investor, a syndicator, or just like a limited partner. We want to make sure you are taken care of. That is our focus going forward, specializing with real estate professionals. Me being a real estate investor myself, we kind of specialize and we kind of do short-term rentals. That's how we make most of our passive income for right now. We're looking into building and mastering this velocity of money. If you guys ever heard about the time value of money, that's definitely important too. But the velocity of money is when you can put an investment out there, how fast can you get a return on your investment? A lot of people like the shorter game. So if you want to put your money into an investment that can get you money back and a return back in a timely fashion. Before you're old and gray, I don't want to put $1 million away and then 10 years later, I double my $1 million to $2 million. But I just wasted 10 years waiting on that. So you want to definitely look at the velocity of money to when you are joining these groups, these syndication deals, and when you're just partnering up with people to do deals. How fast is that going to come back to you? So definitely get your tax filings, get your K-1s issued before March 15th. me and my staff have been getting killed with tax season right now. So we are hamming it out. We're hamming it out, but get on our calendar and reserve your spot, and we can get you teed up and get you filed pretty quickly. We expect around a 1 to 2 week turnaround, depending on how much stuff you got going on. Today we have a special, and I'll put it in the description below. We have a special spreadsheet for our special DIYers out there, right? Our DIY real estate investors, and that was me, right? The DIY person. I'm getting started out, and I want to preserve as much cash flow as I can. So I don't want to hire a bookkeeper. I don't want to hire an accountant. I want to do everything on my own. So we have put a spreadsheet in the description below it is a closing cost analysis and depreciation calculator. So you'll take your settlement statement, and you'll plug in your figures. Let me go ahead and share our website with you guys, so you can get to this. The link is also in the description. It is shared as view, so you can get on there and open it, and then open it up and copy it into another tab if you want. Copy it and use it as you will. The focus here is to give you value for free. I want to give more value than I receive in payment. So you can go to our website here at Dudley Accounting Services, check it out. So this is our website at dudleyaccountingservices.com. That is in the description below as well. You can book a free 10-15 minute discovery call with us, and we can figure out what you got going on and see if we can actually add value to your situation. Not all clients are good. Not all relationships are good. So we want to see if this is the right fit for you. So you can go on to our selected items here on our website, which are, if you need a tax plan, definitely go ahead and click here and get on a calendar for a tax plan. If you need, and this is essential right now, we have been pretty much cooking them up like hotcakes and passing them out like pancakes, is a Quickbooks Cleanups. If you are distressed and you have all your financials everywhere, you have all your receipts, you have all your bank account information everywhere, and you don't have all your financials in a profit and loss statement and a balance sheet ready for tax time, you want to get on our calendar ASAP. We do Quickbooks Cleanups, where we produce and draft financial statements for you for tax time, for you, the real estate investor. So go ahead and click here to get a complete set of financial statements for tax time. So we're doing that. Go ahead and get on the calendar ASAP for that. And then here's our closing cost analysis and depreciation calculator. You can go ahead and click here, and I'll take you through where it takes you, and it'll take you right to our spreadsheet here, to where you can enter the purchase date, the address, purchase price, and then the complicated part is you might need your CPA or accountant, or you might want to engage with us. You want to know which costs on your settlement statement. So you'll have your settlement statement pulled up here, and you'll also have your tax card pulled up with your assessor's office. You'll have that up as well, and then you'll start to input your figures here based on if there were expenses that increase the loan cost basis. So expenses on you to get the loan, those are not you're not able to capitalize them, meaning you're not able to add them into the cost basis of the house. When we get to the cost basis of the house is what we depreciate over 27 and a half years for residential property, and commercial property, we depreciate that cost basis over 39 years. But you want to get a pretty meaty cost basis, right? We want a big cost basis so we can have we can take advantage of depreciation. So we usually take the depreciation out of the cost basis, which is the building value, and then you have your land value. You can't depreciate your land, so you have to use your tax card, and you have to take the assessment to how they assess your taxes on your property, and they'll break it out by building versus land. So you have a percentage for your land, and then you'll have a percentage for your building. How much of that cost is assigned to each item. So that is definitely important going forward. If you need help with that, definitely go ahead and get on our calendar and get your CPA or your accountant involved with this ASAP. And this is the value that we want to add. And also, when you go ahead and put in your information here, we also have a loan amortization schedule that you can put in here, and it'll have all of your payments, your monthly payment, your interest, principal, and ending balance, all the way down to the date to where you pay off your loan. So that's a neat thing that we have in this free spreadsheet for you. So definitely go ahead and take advantage of it. Go ahead and use it up. And if you need help, definitely reach out to us at DudleyAccountingServices.com. Let me go ahead and go back to our website here at DudleyAccountingServices.com. And I think that securing, if you're trying to start off in real estate and you want to get into real estate, securing the FHA loan is the best bet. That's how I got into it. So definitely, if you want to get a good lender in your corner, I have a huge circle of lenders and real estate agents who are ready to take you shopping. It is a weird market right now, but definitely hop on real estate. Get into real estate and then think about investing in real estate. Don't spend your wheels thinking about, oh, well, this year I'm doing this. This year I'm trying to save up for a deposit, or this year I'm trying to save up for a down payment. Bullshit. Go out there and freaking do stuff with your life and go and freaking execute and remain. And I say again, remain unstoppable. You tenacious badass. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.